Hi, I'm Dave Newton. In this video we're going to be looking at the EOS R system and landscape photography. Now when you're shooting landscapes there are a couple of things that are essential and a couple of things that just make your life easier. Starting with the essentials, obviously resolution is key. If you've got more resolution you can capture more detail in the frame. You also want good dynamic range. Now, the dynamic range of the EOS R, while I've been using it, has been fantastic. You know very soon whether a camera is going to be able to cope with the extremes of contrast that you find at sunrise and sunset. You also want a good selection of lenses to choose from. Whether you want really wide, tilt and shift, standard or telephoto, the EOS R system has you covered. For me, the control ring adapter that allows me to use my favoured TSE 24mm lens for wide-angle landscapes is an absolute winner. But if you're more of a long exposure photographer, then perhaps the drop-in filter adapter that comes with a Very ND filter might be more up your street. It certainly allows you to get those long exposures by cutting out ambient light without having to carry a bag full of extra ND filters to put on the front of your camera. Finally, the fold-out screen. For years we've made do without one, but now I've got one, I'm really reluctant to go back to shooting without it. Whether I'm trying to get a really high angle or a really low angle, as I get older and my back starts to creak a bit more, it really does make life that little bit easier. So if landscapes are your thing, then I'd recommend trying the EOS R and mating it with whatever your favourite current landscape lens is.